Hello everyone. So we're doing the today air brake inspection. Inspection name is tractor protection valve. So first of all, check the wheels. My wheels are choked. Next thing is removing the service line. So we put on the side. And next thing we're going in the cab. So my air pressure is a normal operating range. So we release the brake first. So make the gauges stable. Now I'm turning off the truck. Keys on position. So next step, press and hold the brake. And here any air leak from my service line. There is no air leak, audible air leak from my service line. It means tractor protection valve is working because the gauges are still stable, so no air leak from a service line. So now the defects. So release the brake, the parking brake. Tractor protection valve. So we go with the schedule one. So there is no minor defect, only major defect. Inoperative towing vehicle protection valve is a major defect. I call my operator, write on my inspection sheet, or I cannot drive the truck until it repair. Thank you. Okay, bye.